Okay, so whenever you get a question like this, there is a major concept which you have to learn. Suppose if you have a quadratic equation, okay, it's like ax square plus bx plus c. When you have a quadratic equation, the factors will always be linear equation. It can be like x plus a, x plus b, or whatever it is. Okay, this a and b might not be the same, but any value. So this is a linear equation, and this is also a linear equation. It will always be like this. Here it is quadratic. Okay, so this is case number 1. Now for the second case, when you have a cubic equation like ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, okay, this is a cubic equation. There can be two chances, like either it can be a linear equation, another linear equation, and another linear term, okay, or it can be a quadratic times linear. Okay, linear means it will not have any indices. So now if you take the case of this question, x minus t the whole square is a factor of x cube plus 3px plus c. So suppose if you see this, this becomes, this is a quadratic and this is a cubic. Okay, so let me just write it a little this side so that I can mark it here. Okay, so there is a quadratic here and there's a cubic here. So what it means is, like, there can be something else here, and that will only be a linear term. Okay, because quadratic and linear will be multiplied it into a cubic. So for that term, what we can do is, like, you can write it as x plus k. Okay, so I'm just introducing a new variable called k and I'm writing it like this. Now it is mostly simplification, so I will simplify this. So let me just write it once again. X minus t the whole square times x plus k is equal to x cube plus 3px plus c. Now we know how to do that. We have learned this. Okay, so here it is. You expand this, so that will be x square minus 2xt plus t square multiplied by x plus k is equal to x cube plus 3px plus c. And again, simplifying this, you will get x cube. You simplify each and every term. Okay, x cube plus x square k minus 2x square t minus 2xkt plus xt square plus t square k is equal to x cube plus 3px plus c. And then what you do is you equate all the terms on the left hand side and the right hand side. So for the left hand side, x cube, you have the same thing. So x cube, you will write 1 is equal to 1 because it's the coefficients are the same. Then you go for x square. So when you take x square terms, this is the one on the left hand side. On the right hand side, there is nothing. So it is 0x square. Okay. So then what you will do, you will write that as x square term. So it is k minus 2t is equal to 0. Okay, from this you can write this as k is equal to 2t. That is derived here. Okay, then you take the terms of x. So for the terms of x, you have these two on the left hand side and this on the right hand side. So that is minus 2kt. Don't take the x. Okay, so you write minus 2kt plus t square is equal to 3p. Okay, we can't simplify this, so I'm just going to leave it like this. Then you go ahead with the constant ones. So the constant ones are this and the c on the left hand side. So you can write this as t square k is equal to c. Okay, now from the first one, you know that k is equal to 2t. Okay, so I can simplify this as t square times 2t, that is equal to 2t cube. So the first one is done. C is equal to 2t cube, that is done. Okay, now we come to this one. So here what you can do is you want to get a formula for p, isn't it? So I'm going to substitute k here. So 2 into 2t into t plus t square is equal to 3p. So this will be minus 4t square plus t square is equal to 3p minus 3t square is equal to 3p. P is equal to minus t square. So we have solved both the equations. So this is one and this is one. So the idea here is you need to understand this construct here, cubic is equal to quadratic and linear, or cubic equal to linear times linear times linear, and then you introduce a new variable and then You simplify it, equate the characteristics on both the sides, and then you work with the formula, simplify it, and you will get it.